Coaching hockey is all about encouraging players to commit to a collective goal. I work with my clients to help them achieve financial success with their goals in mind.
The St. Jacques Sea Dogs are proud to select from Newbridge Academy, Luke Green.
The Sherbrooke Phoenix are proud to select from Newbridge Academy, Fitzpatrick.
Rapids Titans are proud to select from Central Ice Pack, Jordan Maher.
Give me a sense of how.
Words can't really describe it right now. I mean, this is probably the best day of my life.
So. Charlottetown Linders are really proud to select from Tiverton Brisbane, Mitchell Balmas.
We did some maneuvering before the draft. We were picking 12. We found a way to move up to 7, and he was a targeted player for us. We think the upside on this player is tremendous. We think he's a potential power forward.
Well, first of all, I want to start making the team. Then you start from the bottom and work your way up to the top, and I'm ready to put the work in.
Team Brenton Screaming Eagles are proud to select from Salisbury Prep School, Michael O'Leary.
He had committed to Cornell and that he wouldn't be here in Sherbrooke, but we felt that he's so talented, such a great player, and at 14 for us, we felt it was an interesting pick for us, and we will present the avenue of major junior hockey to the family.
We think that we've got a real steal in this player. We've got 2 of the best maritime kids in this draft. We're not adverse to taking kids from Quebec, but to get 2 really high-end maritime kids in a draft that everyone admits was really deep this year in the Maritimes, it makes us pretty excited.
Well, I'm sure everybody thinks that it's been a successful day. We're very happy with the picks that we had. We were pleased that Crossley was there at 21, and Barrett Decision was there in the 3rd round, and John Marino was another player that we had our sights set on. So first 3 rounds we were thrilled with.